Hi, Luke.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Feeding my birds.
Let's see. Which bird is that?
Bitey.
Bitey? Why do you call him Bitey?
Because he bites.
Does he always bite?
No. Only if you do something that he doesn't like.
Okay. It's nice of you to feed him. What about the
Mom?
other bird?
Oh, he doesn't like eating. See, he's not hungry. He is hungry. He just won't eat. Can you get a video of me and Luke?
Yep, I am. Hi, Abby. Do you like these birds? Look at me. What do you think about these birds?
Awesome.
Is it fun to have birds in the family? Can you pet them and hold them too?
She can't hold him, but she can pet him. I can pet him.
Okay, let's see you pet him. Oh, what a brave girl. All right.
Up. I'm just like...
Oh, just look at Luke.
Hey, no. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Up.
He's taught this bird up.
Up.
Look at this.
Whee!
Oh,
Whee!
see, this is a good bird. He likes to get back in his cage.
Whee! He likes to get... Hey, what if he got baptized?
That would be weird.
Up. Here, let's get on your swing. Get on your swing. Hey, do you want to eat some seeds? Do you want to eat snacks?
Want to eat a snack?
There's a snack.
Want to eat
These are his snack, and the seeds are his healthy food. Do you want to eat some snacks right now?
Want to eat some healthy food?
Abby, I'm going to have some healthy food. Okay, Abby, he picks. Okay, Abby, sometimes if he has
You want birds?
Yeah.
Okay. All right,
Oh,
just a
hey,
minute.
Here. Oh, here's some healthy food.
Do you think he'll let you get him out?
Yeah. You want me to?
Yeah, let's see him.
Okay. Up.
Okay, shh. Abby, when you make noise, it makes him nervous, okay?
Up.
Look, Luke has him. Let's see him. Turn and look at me, Luke. Look at that boy. Is that one happy boy on Christmas?
I can kiss his tail.
Okay. That's probably...
Do you want to get back in your cage?
Fly!
Oh, he's back on top of his cage.
Here.
Shh, shh, shh. Okay, everyone be very quiet. He just wants to get in.
Here. I can get him in. He does this
He
a
does
few
it.
times. Up. He always listens to when I say up. Because he always knows that I'm just going to play with him. Up. There you go.
Good job, Luke. Hey, that was great. Thanks for showing us your birds.